Wait, don't put that. Good morning, guys. I'm here with Bria, and where are we headed to?
The milk market.
The milk market. So I'm gonna be taking over today. So you're gonna see a lot of my face today. We'll see you later.
She's so good.
Where'd you get that?
Coming over here. It wasn't focusing on mine. Fresh orange juice. Hello, good, how are you? Hey guys, we are at the milk market, which we told you guys earlier, and I got hot chocolate. And Sky, what did you get?
Hot chai. Huh?
Hot chocolate and hot chai. I said we're so clear. Like, man. But we're just walking around, and I have some video footage for you guys of the milk market. It's bomb. They have great food. If you ever come to Limerick, come here. We are out here going to get food, more burgers and fries and milkshakes from Shake Dog, and we're excited. We're literally so hungry. When's the last time we ate? At like 11 a.m. maybe? And we found bacon, egg, and cheese out here at the milk market. So good, so good. Hey guys, I just thought I'd start this week's vlog. Today it is Monday, and it is, I'm a little late starting it. It's 2 p.m. I had class this morning. Today was our first day of classes. I had class this morning at 9 a.m. Until 11, and then I have class this afternoon from 4 to 6, but they only give us lunch from 12 to 3, so I have to go back to campus early. So I'm about to head back to campus now so that I can eat lunch from like 2:30 to 3, I guess, and then just chill out and wait for my 4 o'clock class, which hopefully I can find something to do in that time. Hi guys, I haven't vlogged in like a couple of days. I'm a little behind, but it's Tuesday, January 22nd, and we had classes, which is why I'm so behind on vlogging, because it's a little weird for me to sit there in class and vlog. But I'm gonna try to get some from our art class tomorrow. And we just stopped and we got food. We got salads from Centra, and then we also got warm brownies from this bakery. That's a while away. And then we each got 4 of these Fulfill protein bars because we're literally starving out here. So yeah, out in these streets starving. So we're gonna eat and watch the show You on Netflix, and this is probably all I'm gonna vlog today, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Support of them was to convert this church into a parish church of Protestant, and we made the converted that building there into a school, and that's still a school, Protestant school, and the church is still a Protestant church.
Hey guys, we are at this place called Hook and Ladder, and we just ate lunch, breakfast, whatever you want to call it, and then I had tea. The lighting in here sucks, sorry guys, and these are all of my good...
These are not her friends.
Shut up, Skylar. Hey guys, so it's been about a week since I have even like really touched my vlog camera. Last week was the first week of classes, so I was kind of like busy trying to adjust to my schedule. Had classes literally every day. I have to get up at 7 a.m. because I have a 9 a.m. I have class from 9 a.m. to 11 and then 4 to 6, so it's kind of just like my whole day is just like taken up. And I also have to walk to classes, so, and like the school is like 20 minutes away, so that's why I have to get up so early for class days, and I have to eat breakfast and everything. So yeah, last night I washed my hair and it smells so good. It's still a little damp, but it smells amazing. This is what I used. I didn't bring any of my hair products here because I had my hair in braids and it was gonna like weigh my suitcase down more. So I decided to get products when I got here, but I've used this before. I found some good products for like curly hair here in a store called Boots, and I use the Organics or OGX Quenching and Coconut Curls shampoo, and it looks like this. Please focus. Thank you. So I have the shampoo and conditioner from this line, and then as far as other hair products go, I got the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Milk for the curl milk, and then I got the curl smoothie as well, which looks like this. Please focus. Thanks. Okay. So yeah, and my hair smells amazing. I really couldn't find any gel. I was looking for gel for when I take my hair out of the braids and I need gel. And the only gel I could find was got to be glued. So this is gonna have to do while I'm here. But hopefully in Paris they have some more beauty supply stores and things like that they have more products at. But yeah, that's really it. All I've done today so far is, I think it's 1 o'clock right now. Yeah, it's like 1 o'clock, and all I've done so far is get up, brush my teeth, wash my face, and then I worked on some homework. I did my second reading for my class that I have tomorrow. I have a workshop, so I had to do 2 readings for it. Done with that. I worked on my art and architecture project a little bit. That's due on Tuesday. And other than that, I've just been chilling. I'm really hungry at this point because I haven't eaten all day. I don't know where Skylar is. So I've just kind of been in my room. But I haven't eaten yet today. It's 1:10. I'm starving, so I'm probably going to text her and see what she's doing. I have a feeling she's upstairs in our friend's room. But I'm hungry, so I'm going to text her and see if she's hungry and if she wants to go get food. If not, I'm going to go by myself. So let's go.
And folders. So what I'll do is the folders, like I said, recycling them, they are all empty, but I'll just get little post-it notes and cells so you can write your name on it and just choose a folder. And I'll keep these folders there to keep your work in whatever you're working on, maps, drawings, put them all into the folder, and I'll keep them in G14. Is that okay?
Hey guys, so this week's vlog is super choppy. I already know. I'm sick right now, and I know I filmed a little bit on Monday morning, I think, talking, or Sunday, something like that, just like talking to you guys a little bit about what's been going on. And then yesterday during my art class, I filmed a little clip for you guys so you could just like see what, like, more of like a practical, like what's going on, I guess, in classes and stuff. Certain classes I can film it, it's easier, like my art class where we're just like drawing and stuff, and then when we go on field trips I also try to film for you guys. But I am super sick right now. I got sick last night and I'm dying, but I'm still like pushing through. I had a project due today at 4. So I just finalized that and finished it up. I didn't sleep at all last night. I literally woke up every 5 minutes. But yeah, that's just basically, this clip is getting really long, but that's basically what's been going on. I'm just sick and I'm going to class again around 4 o'clock, but I have to go back to school at 2:30 to get lunch because lunch ends at 3. So that's my lovely past like 24 hours. So hey guys, this week's vlog is pretty choppy, but it's Wednesday. I just got back home from classes and I stopped on the way back to get a salad. I got a tuna, there you go, from Centra.
I got a tuna Caesar salad, and their Caesar salads are so good. Both the tuna and the regular Caesar salad are amazing. So if you're ever in Ireland and you want a salad, go to Centra. I don't know if they're just in Limerick or if they're like all over in Ireland, but I'm in Limerick and they have Centras everywhere. Basically, it's like a Wawa would be in New Jersey. I've been taking these tablets. I don't know if I showed you these yesterday when I vlogged.
Hey guys, we just finished a field trip and we're in art right now. I'm still sick, but there's Skylar and our friend Santi. He does videography and photography and such. So that's what he's doing now. But we're on our way back to school. Hey guys, I'm at Limerick City Art Gallery right now doing a project for my art and architecture class. And I just thought it looked really cool, so I thought I'd show you guys around. It's so cool. Oh, this is cute.
Landing, and all the vessels are off the landing.